guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a Fab Fit Fun unboxing video. Now, Fab Fit Fun is another subscription that I got into recently. This is my second box that I ever got from Fab Fit Fun. I thought this was a very interesting box, so I thought I should share my thoughts on how I like this box. Once I'm done with unboxing this month's box, I'm also gonna go through real quick on what I got last time. Last time I got the editor's box. I think the editor's box means that they put in products that has been a success in the previous boxes. So that's not the regular box, the one I got the editor's box. So this time I thought I should try the regular box. So this one is the summer box. So I thought I should open it in front of the camera and share my thoughts on it. Now FabFitFun retails for $50, so it's a little bit pricier, a lot. It's actually the most expensive subscription box, beauty, lifestyle related subscription box. But this, like I said, it's not just beauty, it's got lifestyle products in it, and it's got a bunch of products. So you get about 7 to 8 full-size products. So I figured, I wanted to test it out, because last time I got it only because I really wanted a few products in there that was in the editor's box. So I tried it, and this time I'm gonna try this. If you're gonna start your subscription for the first time, a lot of people have codes you can use that'll give you $10 off or $15 off. If I can find any code, I will leave that in the description box down below. You can sign up using that link and you'll get a $10 off for your first box. So let's go ahead and unbox this box and see if it's really worth the price. Now, real quick, before we actually get into the box, I wanted to let you know how this whole thing works. You go online, you create a profile, and then you answer questions that they have general questions as to what are your interests. Are you interested in sports? Are you interested in working out? Are you interested in beauty? And they'll ask your beauty concerns, they'll ask your hair type, your skin type. So they pretty much depending on what you select is how they curate your products. But you can also choose 2 products. If you're a regular member, I think you can choose 2 products. But if you become an annual subscriber, you can choose about 4 products. But at least 2 products, you do have the option of choosing what you want for your box. So I already know 2 products that's going to be in the box, but everything else is a surprise, and I'm excited to unbox. So this is how the box comes in. It's a very nice cardboard packaging. It's really thick. Open this up, it looks all summery, and the actual packaging is in here, and it actually has they have pretty good packaging. So they make sure all your products are pretty safe in here, so they don't break during the actual shipping. When you open this is the first one that you see. It's just their newsletter, and this has information of pretty much all the products in here, and it also tells what were the options given, what are the products that were in the other box. Just a newsletter. The first product that I see in here is the most exciting product, and I knew this because I did see a spoiler that came by, so I knew this was going to be in here. It's the Foreo Luna Fofo. Now, Foreo is a cleansing brush. So if you guys are familiar with the Clarisonic brush, this is the sensitive version for the Clarisonic brush. So if your face is very sensitive and you don't like using a brush like a Clarisonic, which has got hard bristles, this is a good one. Now, I know that a lot of people have used this and they loved it, and so people who have sensitive skin, they've really loved it. But I've never tried this. I've actually wanted to try it for a while, but it was just so expensive. I already got the Clarisonic for $150, and I don't use it every time because I do break out if I do it every day. So I use it once a week, and I do know that I do like my Clarisonic when I use it once a week. But I always wanted to try this out, but I didn't want to spend $90. I think it's $90 or $100 for this. But I was so excited when I knew that this was going to be in the summer box. So I think I don't know what this one is. I have no idea how to use this. I've never used this before, but I do know that you can recharge this and use it. And I'm guessing the charger should just be this one. I don't know. I'm gonna try this out, and if I do like it, I'm gonna mention about this in a future video. But this has just got like these really soft like silicone bristles. It also has an app that you can download, and that'll give you like the skin age, and you can, you know, you can kind of customize it. I don't know if those all would work, but I do know that this will be like really good to like deep cleanse. Just imagine like exfoliating your skin. That's what this does. So instead of using a physical scrub, you're using this. You can apply your face wash directly onto this or onto your face, and then you can turn it on and it'll just vibrate, so you can go around the face. And I think it runs for like a minute. So in a minute you'll finish pretty much, you know, the whole face, and it'll really help you deep cleanse your face. The next product that I see in here is sunscreen. It's a Cooler Sport Classic sunscreen, and it has an SPF of 50 in it. It says it's an organic sunscreen, broad spectrum sun care. Let's put a little bit. That's what it looks like. It's almost like white, pretty much like any sunscreen, you know. Every sunscreen is gonna come out white unless it's tinted. And wow, so that did not leave any white residue at all. It did sink into the skin really good. If you have a deeper skin tone, then you know the struggle with sunscreens. It always leaves like a white cast, and then it takes a little while to like sink into your skin. When you have to do your makeup right after, you have to like, you know, make sure this sinks in really well. Sometimes it gives you flashback and all that stuff, you know. So this is a really good one. I think I'm really excited to try this on because it didn't give me a white cast and like sunk into the skin really quickly. So that's the second product in there. Let me see if they mentioned the price point for all of these. Yes, the Foreo is $89. The Cooler White Tea Moisturizer is $32. The total value of the box is anywhere between $321.99 to $367.99. So that's really good for $50. The next one I find in here is some form of training band. It's some form of loop resistant band. Looks like this. I do not do like a lot of workout. I do like pretty much cardio when I work out. So I do not know how to use this. I'll probably get some help from my husband and see how I should use this. But there's that one, and they say that retails for $15. Okay, so let's go into the two products that I did choose for this box. First one I chose is this Japanaria Marinella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. I think it's meant to be like an exfoliator for your body. And the other option that was in there was like a little ring that had like 2 pearls on it and like 14 karat gold around it. And there was another one which was like a de-stress muscle gel. I honestly wouldn't use both of those, so I chose this because I love a good body scrub. It smells interesting. It's almost like, it does look like a scrub. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it's like a black, it's almost like a black scrub, and it's got a little bit of oil dispensed in it. And it retails for $48. It says it's a luxurious body treatment and it's made with natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. I'm going to test this product and let you know how this works in a future video. And the next product I did choose was like a makeup bag, and the option that was in there was was 2 like makeup bags, and there was 2 like beach towels. I always love a good makeup bag, so I wanted to try out the makeup bag rather than like the beach towel. So I chose this one. It had like 2 patterns. One was like a flowery summery print, and this was like a classic blue, so I chose this one. It's like a pretty decent sized bag. So that's what the pouch looks like. There's like a zipper on top, and that is like a little zipper in here, so you can put like your palettes in here, pencils in here, and they do have like holders for brush, so you can put all your brushes in here. That's actually pretty nice. So it makes it easier rather than just like pushing it all at once. And they do have a gift card for you for $50 if you buy anything for $200 from their site. And when you open the second zipper, It just has like a deep pocket that you can put all your products in. So you can put all your makeup products in here, and you can put your brushes and like pencil products in here, and like the palettes in here, and it'll just be perfect for traveling. We're going to be traveling soon, so that would probably be best to travel with. So that one retails for $58. The next one I see in here is, okay, it's from Pure One Imports, and it's just like a marble dish. It's very pretty. You can actually like, you know, leave it next to your bedroom, or leave it on your vanity and leave your like rings or watches or, you know, bracelets. You know, you can just leave anything on it. I really like stuffs like this, so I'm really excited about this one too. This retails for $14.99. Okay. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products in here. And the next one I have in here is this, the LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel. I actually have never used this, but I've heard like good reviews on this. It's like a chemical peel, and you just leave it on your skin for like 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off with like lukewarm water. I do know that people love this, but I don't know if I'll use it now because I'm pregnant right now, and I'm trying to avoid like all like the chemical products, so I might not use it now. But once I'm done with like pregnancy and feeding and all that, I might go back and try this out. So it's going to take a while for me to try this out, but I'm excited about that. So lastly, I have 2 products from Tarte. I think you could have either got like the contour and highlight palette, which is like a single Tarte palette, or you could have got, you know, this palette and like eyeliner. So let's see how this looks. It's a Tarteist Pro To Go palette. It has like 6 eyeshadows in here. It's very pretty. It's a very pretty like neutral colored scheme. You know, it's like perfect for traveling. You have like some brown matte shimmers and little bit of gold and bronzy tones, and a little like purple tone eyeshadow in here that you can use if you want a pop of color. So that's like a good palette to travel with. The last product that I have in here is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. Looks like the palette and like the eyeliner together retails for $43, so that's like a good deal. And that's like a felt tip liner. Oh, it goes on really black, so I'm excited to try this on. There's like a really cute like kitten on top. That's the last one. I almost got like 10 full-size product. That's really not bad at all. And I think just this Foreo just makes it worth it for me for this entire box. So I would have spent $50 just to get that Foreo, and everything else is pretty good in here. So I do think it's a really good box. This video is probably 25 minutes long. I don't know if I'll have enough time to talk about the editor's box, but I'm going to go through these products real quick so you know what I got in the editor's box. So one of the products I got was this like clutch. It's a very pretty like springish clutch. It's just like a full like zipper, and you can put in like a lot of stuffs in here. You can put your wallet in here, you can put your phone in here, and you can just carry it with you when you're all dressed up. It's a nice spring clutch to have, so that was a good one that I received. And I also received this really cute mug that says I'd rather be in bed. I actually have been drinking coffee in that pretty much every morning, so that's a good product in there. And last month I also got 2 Tarte products. I have tried both these products, but I know that one was like the liquid lipstick, one was like lip gloss. The lip gloss looks good, but the liquid lipstick looks almost like chalk on my lips. It's too nude on my lips, so I might probably pass this on. But the gloss worked out pretty fine, and I was really excited about last month's product, the Kate Somerville. I think this itself is about $90, and this is also like a chemical exfoliant, but I've heard so many people rave about this product. And this is also another product that I unfortunately can't use now because I'm pregnant. But once I'm done with it, I'm gonna try this one too, and I will let you guys know if I liked it. And the editor's box also had another really good product. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And this is a product that I've been using pretty much every time I wash my hair these days. Instead of like a conditioner, I use this one and I leave it for 10 minutes. And I swear to you, this works wonders on hair. I've heard like people rave about Briogeo, but I have like very dry, frizzy hair, so it worked on my hair. The next product that I got was this eye mask, and this is really pretty. It's like, you know, just like a pretty nice eye mask. You can sleep on it So if you go on a long travel, you can actually use that. It has like a slip in here and it has a insert here. So you can take this, pop this insert out, and if you want like a cooling eye mask, you can pop it in the fridge overnight and the next day insert it here and then use it on your eye. That's a really pretty one from last month. Everything here was spring themed, last month's box. This month was all summer themed. And I haven't used these two products, but I'm going to be using it soon. I got this body wash infused buffer. It's just like a body sponge, but it has like body wash infused in it. I think it'll come up to 15 to 20 uses if you keep it in the shower and use it. And it smells really good. I want to take it on a trip or something and try it, so I haven't tried that out yet, but that was a good one. And the last product that I received in last month's box was like a gel patch. Now you can use this both cold and hot. So if you want it to be cold, you can like place it in the freezer for like 1 or 2 hours and you can use it for like pains, joint pains and stuff. And if you prefer it hot, you can actually microwave it for 10 seconds and it'll become hot, so you can actually place it. I haven't used this too. I probably would use this soon with my pregnancy. So last month's box I was really excited to. This month's box was really good. So I'm going to try this Fab Fit Fun for a few more months and see how I like it. And maybe in like a couple of months I'll see if it's really worth doing a subscription for $50 or not. But so far I'm really happy with the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.